Hi all. In this video, we will see how text formula works in Excel or Google Sheet. I have written few examples here. Like the first one is values. If you see in the first example, there are some random numbers and those are in unique format. Like the first one is in a single digit. So the format is very different in all the cells. Now with the help of text formula, you can standardize this format. So usually text formula is used to standardize a format actually. So this is how you can do. So write is equal to text, select the cell, comma, under double quotation mark, you have to add the max digit whichever is in the left hand side column. So max digit is 6. Close the bracket and enter. So if you see on the left hand side, as I said, the max number is 6. So max digits are 6 itself, right? That's why I have added 6 zeros here. So max it can go up to this only, and I will drag it till the broad bottom. So this is how you can standardize a format. This was the first example. The second one is date format. In this, the same formula will be used. Is equal to text. You have to select the base cell, then comma. Under everything will be in the double quotation mark. So under double quotation mark, you have to use like whichever date format is required. Like first is date, date dash month dash year. This is the basic format you can do. Here, if you see in the date formula, there is a slash, but in this one there is a dash, which we have added using the same in the formula. You can also customize this based on, like if I put d 3 times, then it will convert into a day. Then if I put day 4 times, d 4 times, then it will convert into a day, a full form. It will convert into a full form. Full. And for month, similarly for month, it will show you like it will become like this. And if you use m 3 times, it will convert into a month name. And in the 4 times, you will see everything in full form. Similarly, for year, it works. If you put y twice here, it will show you year in the short form, like 23. If you put this 3 or 4 times, it will show you 2023. So this is how text formula works in date format. So I will put something here like day and day of that date and month. So this is how you can add. So there are multiple ways to customize this. So this was some examples for the date format using text formula. Now the same can be used to see the time format. Like you can see the 23rd hour, 14 minutes and 38 seconds in this cell. You can use text formula to just capture hours. The same you will be using here is equal to text, open bracket, base cell, comma, under double quotation mark, you will write hours, minutes. If you want to see just hours and minutes, you can enter HH colon MM. If you want to see seconds as well, then you can add SS twice here. Or if you want to see just minutes and seconds, then you can delete the HH. You can keep MM colon SS. This is how you can see minutes and seconds. And this is the way you can edit or customize your time format using text formula. There are multiple ways to customize it. It depends on the output which you are desiring. Now the fourth example is percentage. If you can see 19 divided by 500, it's 3.80 percentage. With the help of text formula, you can control the digits and decimals of this value. For example, I have entered the formula is equal to text, open bracket, and I have selected a base cell here. Now comma, if I want the first two digits in the first digit in two digits, then I will put a double quotation, 00, then dot, again 00, percentage, double quotation mark, bracket close. So this is how you can add uh, two digits in the first value. Then if you want to increase the decimals, you can add zeros here after the dot. This is how you can increase the decimals. So there are as I already said, there are multiple ways to customize the output using text formula. So these were few examples which can be used while fetching an output. Thanks for watching. Please like the video if you like the content. Thanks.